English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Reaction short version. I can't believe it. Native speakers keep it much shorter. What do they actually say? No way. No way. I understand. Conversations usually use a much shorter reply. What's the common response? Gotcha. Gotcha. I'm sorry. Friends usually use something more casual. How would a native say it? My bad. My bad. That sounds nice. There's a more natural reaction. What do people actually say? Cool. Cool. That's wonderful. One word is often enough. How do natives say it? Awesome. Awesome. I will join. Native speakers answer more simply. What's the natural version? I'm in. I'm in. There is no problem. There's a more conversational expression. What do people say? No worries. No worries. That works for me. Everyday conversation makes it even shorter. How would a native say it? Works for me. Works for me. I understand exactly. It's common when you agree. What do people actually say? I know. I know. Certainly. Friends usually prefer another expression. What's the natural reply? You bet. You bet. Okay. There's a more natural response. What do people usually say? Got it. Got it. Don't worry about it. Native speakers keep it short. What's the natural expression? No worries. No worries. Everything is okay. Friends often use just two words. What do people actually say? All good. All good. Let's do it together. Many people answer with one short phrase. How would a native say it? Deal. Deal. That's a good idea. There's a very natural response. What would a native say? Why not? Why not? No way. No way. Gotcha. Gotcha. My bad. My bad. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. I'm in. I'm in. No worries. No worries. Works for me. Works for me. I know. I know. You bet. You bet. Got it. Got it. No worries. No worries. All good. All good. Deal. Deal. Why not? Why not? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.